Sino po dito, naranasan nyo na po magpatawad? You guys have experienced forgiving? Who among you will agree that it's not easy to forgive, especially if you were really hurt by that person?
It's one thing to forgive, but it's another level of difficulty to keep allowing the same person to hurt your heart.
Yan ang tanong namin, ilang beses kang magpapatawad bago mo sabihin sa kanya na, oy, sumusobra ka na, tama na. And tonight, we wanna sing this song for people who are having a hard time admitting that they are tired.
Natatakot mahusgahan kung sila ay bibitaw na dahil pagod na sila.
Hindi po masama ang mapagod. Ang masama, yung pagod ka na, pinipilit mo pa.
And today, we wanna tell you, it's okay to walk away from a relationship, a situationship, a friendship that has kept damaging you over the years.
At hindi po lahat ng napapagod, ibig sabihin mahina ka. Malamang sa malamang kaya ka pagod dahil matagal mo nang sinusubukang maging patuloy na malakas. Admitting you're tired is the first step to getting the right rest for you.